Hope you all doing good. In the earlier session, we have solved the problems with a single triangle. In this session, we will be doing a few of the problems with the multiple triangles. Okay. So, this question is a TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. Okay. Clear what it is saying? A TV tower. Let's say this is a tower. Okay. This tower what stands vertically on the side of a road. Okay, let's say this is a road. Okay, this is a road. Okay, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is from point on the other side, directly opposite on the other side of the tower. Okay, ఇది opposite లో ఉన్నది. Okay, ఒక point అంటున్నాడు anywhere in between here. Okay, now the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Opposite side లో he is saying angle of the elevation ఎంత అంటున్నాడు 60 degrees అంటున్నాడు. లెట్స్ సే ఇది రోడ్ అవుతే ఇది గ్రౌండ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ టాప్ ఆఫ్ ది టవర్ ఎంత అంటున్నాడు 60 degrees అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఆల్ రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ అనదర్ పాయింట్ 10 meter అవే ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ పాయింట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక 10 meters డిస్టెన్స్లో, ఓకే 10 meter డిస్టెన్స్లో away from this point and the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, foot lo antunnadu. The angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Ikkada enta antunnadu again 30 degrees angle of the elevation annadu. Okay, find the length of the tower and width of the road. Okay, if this is a tower, we need to find this h and ikkada width road ide kada, so we should find this w as a width. Okay, hope this is clear. Okay, this will be the triangle now. Sorry, this will be the total triangle, I mean bigger triangle, and here it will be one more triangle. Okay, we have two triangles in it. One is with angle 30 and other one is angle 60. Okay, what is my intention? I need to find the height of the tower as well as the width of the tower. Sorry, width of the road. So to find this height, what I do, okay, here it is given 10. So let's say this is 10. Okay, sorry, this is width. Now what I do, see here I'm taking this triangle. Okay, I'm taking from this triangle. Okay, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Okay, now from this triangle ABC I am writing tan. The reason for writing tan is here I have a opposite side as well as I need to find the width, right? So what I do, I am taking tan from here, which is tan 60. Okay, tan 60 will be opposite side. Enta idi h andi. Ikkada opposite width endam anukunnam manam w anukunnam. Okay, √3 tan 60 √3 manaku telusu. So I'm writing this is h by w. Okay, which equals to h equal to w √3 అవుతుంది. Okay, let's say this is equation number 1. Okay, hope this is very clear. Now let's see the second. Okay, let's see this triangle. Okay, but same thing, here I have an opposite side which is h as well as I have a base. Here if you see, the base will be 10 meters plus w, which is the road width. Okay, now I'm applying the tan 30 now. Okay, tan 30, opposite side as usual h by adjacent side is w plus 10. Okay, tan 30 we know that it is 1 by √3 and h by, okay, I'll do one thing directly here. Here we know h equal w √3, right? Okay, I'll just apply w √3 over here. Okay, w √3 by w plus 10. What happens if I multiply w plus 10 equals to w √3 into √3, right? Okay, now w plus 10 equals to w into 3. √3 square and square root gets cancelled and it will be 3w, I would say. Okay, 2w equals, if I bring these w to the right side, the 3w minus w equal 2w, and it will be the 10. So w will be 5. What is the w over here? We got width of a road as 5 meters. Okay, the next thing, we need to find the height. Here from, if I substitute this w value in the first equation, I can get height. Okay, w root 3, right? W is 5 and root 3 as well as this is a vector again. So this is the height of the tower. Okay, hope this is very clear. Coming to the second question, a 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter height from a point at certain distance. See, ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు 1.5 మీటర్లు. ఓకే, the height of the boy here 1.5 meters. Okay, he is looking at the top of the temple which is 30 meter height. Okay, first we'll take reference as a temple. Let's say this is a temple. Okay, this is a temple. What is the height? He is saying 30 meters and 100. Okay, now okay, he is looking, let's say like there is one guy over here. Okay, let's say one guy over here, one boy, he is at height of 1.5 meter, right? Now the angle of the elevation from his eye internal. Okay, let's say if he is having eye over here. Okay, from here, what is the angle he is saying? From the angle increases. Okay, crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to as fixed. ఓకే, ఏమంటున్నాడు క్లియర్గా, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న అతను ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూస్తాను. ఓకే, ద సైట్ ఆఫ్ హీ ఈస్ క్లియర్లీ మెన్షనింగ్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఐ, నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది బాటమ్ ఫుట్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ హీ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ 30 degrees యాజ్ హీ వాక్స్. ఓకే, ఇతను నడుస్తున్న కొద్దీ యాంగిల్ అనేది పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సే దిస్ ఇస్ 30 degrees now. Okay, now he is walking towards some temple. Okay, let's say this is a ground. Let's say he is running till here. Okay, ఇక్కడ 60 degrees ఉన్నాయి అనుకుందాం. Okay, now what is the question? Find the distance walk towards a temple. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఇది ఉందో, డిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో, ఇది కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, 30 degrees నుంచి 60 degreesకి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఇతను నడిచిండో, దట్ ఈస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్. ఓకే, అగైన్ సేమ్, see here we have opposite side. Okay, and here we have angle as well. Okay, what I do now, I'll try to apply a tans and I'll try to get the value of x. Okay, which is our required distance between, like from the initial position to the increased position, angle increased position. Okay, now so I would say directly 30 to 60 degrees distance. What is the distance అనేది మనం చూద్దాం. So if you see this, okay, tan 60. Okay, if you wanted to apply the height of the tower, what happens? Height of the tower will be 30 minus this man's height. Correct? This is as 1.5, right? Okay, so I'm applying tan 60 from this first triangle. Okay, tan 60 will be opposite side, which is 130 minus 1.5 by, okay, by this value, let's say y. Okay, this also we don't know, right? Okay, I'm just making it as a y. Okay, now tan 60 equal to root 3, 30 minus 1.5, which is 28.5, and by y. Okay, now y will be 28.5 by root 3. Correct? Let's say this is our first equation. Okay, hope this is clear. And then next we have another triangle, which is this one, bigger triangle. Okay, I'll try to do something over here. I'll apply tan 30 again. I'll apply 30, tan 30. Okay, again distance is 30 by minus 1.5, but here the total distance is x plus 5, okay, which is x plus 5 now. Okay, again tan 30 equal to root 3 as we know already, telusu kada. So again 30 minus 1.5, 28.5, and then by x plus 5 as it is. Okay, now what happens, x plus y will be 28.5 into root 3, right? Okay, now let's say this is a second equation. Okay, from this two equations I'll try to find the x and y value. Okay, for now I am clearing out this. Okay, yeah, so I'll try to apply y value in the second equation. Okay, I'll substitute first equation into the second. Okay, what is the second? X plus y. Okay, x as is 28.5 by root 3, x plus y. In place of y I have written first equation equals to 28.5 root 3. Okay, now x equals to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay, now 28.5 which is equals to 28.5 into 3 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 square and roots gets cancelled, minus 28.5 as is, as already our denominator is root 3, okay, by root 3. Okay, now 3 minus 1 2. If you take 28 minus 25.5 as a common, then we'll have 3 minus 1 which is equals to 28.2 by root 3. Okay, now it will be 28, 28, 56 and 57 it will be. Okay, 57 by, right, yes, 57 by root 3. Okay, yeah, that's it. Like if you want to apply, you can add what I can say, root 3 which is 1.732, and you can do the value. Okay, this will be the answer, which is distance between the initial point of a 30 degrees and a 60 degrees. Okay, good. Now coming to the third question, a statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. Okay, ఏమంటున్నాడు, there is a pedestal which is 2 మీటర్ల హైట్ ఉంది అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, this is 2 meters height. ఓకే, నిలబడింది ఇక్కడ ఒక స్టాచ్యూ ఉంది. లెట్స్ సే దిస్ ఇస్ అ స్టాచ్యూ. ఓకే, నౌ ఫ్రమ్ ఎ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ది గ్రౌండ్, లెట్స్ సే దిస్ ఇస్ ద గ్రౌండ్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సే దిస్ ఇస్ ద గ్రౌండ్. నౌ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఎ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ది గ్రౌండ్, ద యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ ఆన్ ది టాప్ ఆఫ్ ది పెడ్ స్టాచ్యూ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏమంటాడు, ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చినాడు ఎంత, 60. నౌ ఫ్రమ్ ది సేమ్ పాయింట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏనంట, అగైన్ the angle of the elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. ఇక్కడ ఏ యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చినాడు, ఇది 45 అంటున్నాడు. Then what we need to find, height of the statue. Let's say this is h. We need to find this value. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేసరికి రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి, ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, let's say this is x. Okay, now ఇక్కడ 2 ఉందంటే ఇక్కడ 2 కదా. సో from this triangle I'm applying tan 40. Okay, let's say this is totally, you can take all this, let's say this is also like equal, I mean same triangle. Okay, distance from here is, from to here to here is x. Okay, now let's say angle is like this. Okay, now let's say I'm applying tan 45. Okay, which is opposite side by height, sorry, base, which is 1 equal to 2 by x and x equal to 2. Let's take this equation. Next I'm applying tan 60 in this diagram. Okay, tan 60. What is the opposite side? h plus 2, right? h plus 2 ante kada. And next base enta, x. tan 60 ఎంత అండి, root 3, h plus 2 by x. x we know the value from here. Let's apply the same over here. Root 3 equal to h plus 2 by 2. Okay. Now if I bring h plus 2 onto the left, and if I bring it, it will be 2 root 3. Okay. Now it will be h equals to root 3 minus 2, which means 2 into root 3 minus 1. Okay. It will be 2 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, this will be the answer. If you want to do some more modification, you can just apply again 1 pointer, say 2 minus 1. Then again it will be around 2 into 0 pointers, 732, and then you can get the value. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.